Determine the height at which you want to install your suspended ceiling. By lowering the ceiling, it will be possible to hide away all the pipes and air ducts. Draw a leveled horizontal line all around the room to the desired height. Then put up the border moldings along the walls, the lower corner aligned on the level line. Pre-drill the moldings and nail or screw them into position. Contour moldings must meet in corners this way. Cut through the moldings with shears in this fashion. Determine the location of the first girder. It must be perpendicular to the joists. Its location will serve to measure the dimension of border panels that have to be cut on the sides. Position the main girder so as to avoid cutting panels that are too small. You can use specifically designed bits to put in the screws for the suspended ceiling. Put the screw eyes into the joists and tie the suspension steel strings. Cut and put up the first girder. Once you have measured the length of the panels, put up the other girders in their appropriate places. Then install the T-shaped brackets on the girders. Engage the T-shaped brackets this way. To install recessed lights in a suspended ceiling, adjust the tie-downs and use the little space next to each of their extremities to fix the lamp. Install the suspended ceiling panels. Cut openings for recessed lights and border panels. Use a utility knife and a metal framing square. Do not use electric tools since they can produce a lot of dust. To put in the reflectors, start by removing the light socket. Slide the socket inside the appropriate opening and fix it to the reflector. Push the reflector inside the lamp. Proceed the same way for recessed lights and gypsum ceilings. Installing reflectors is very simple and the result is quite impressive. With reflectors, you can use economical type A light bulbs. Moreover, reflectors prevent light from leaking out around the lamp. They are available in several colors and finishes. White will reflect light and can be concealed in white ceilings. Conversely, black absorbs light and reduces glare. Gold is a warm color and enhances the dark coloring of natural wood.